How to add drum kits to FL Studio. Welcome back. In this tutorial, I show you how to add drum kits to FL Studio. Expanding your sound library with new drum kits can enhance your music production. So let's get started. First, download a drum kit from a trusted source. There are many free and paid options available online, so make sure the kit is in the compatible format like WAV or AIFF. Next, open FL Studio and go to Options in the top menu and select File Settings. Here, you'll see a list of your current data folders. Note where your packs folder is located, and this is where you'll add your new drums kit. Now, using File Explorer, navigate to the location of your downloaded drum kit. Copy the entire folder of the drum kit and paste it into the packs folder we located earlier. You can also create a subfolder for better organization if you prefer. Back in FL Studio, go to the browser. On the left side of the screen, right-click on the packs folder and select Refresh. Your new drum kit should now appear in that list successfully inside of FL Studio. And that's it. You've successfully added drum kits to FL Studio. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more music production tips. Happy producing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.